Roy, come here. Hi, buddy. Hi. You got the leash over there? How you doing? Good boy. Good boy.
Sit. I know you're excited.
Well, put it on.
Oh, you can hold him.
Roy, sit. Sit. Sit.
Would you hold him? I can't put it out with him jumping everywhere. So I have my fingers stuck in it.
Honey, I don't know what you want me to do.
My finger is stuck in here.
I put it in there, huh?
Well, you're sitting here letting him jump
Right.
all over the place.
Good boy. Good boy. There you go. I'm sure it needs all three of them to put a leash on. Haven't you ever had a dog before?
No. Well, when I was like 2.
It shows.
He won't run away.
I guess he does now. I was told to put him on a leash. Go to the bathroom, Roy. Let him go. Go to the bathroom. Roy, go pee. Is that dirt he's got?
No. Playing with the honeycomb.
Go potty. You made Kim crabby.